Hey, what's up, guys? So, the Yamaha XTO series was launched almost 5 years ago with the 425 XTO, the first direct injection 4-stroke outboard engines. These high-performance outboard, however, suffered from a couple of shortcomings compared to the competition, not least its noise. To remedy this, Yamaha now offers the 400 and 450 XTO, both based on the 425.
So, Daniel, product manager here again. XTO 400, same update as the 450 with the new exhaust. We have new intake, which that's the silencer. We have a new energy management that brings the shifting down, but also the power. We have really a new clean look. We have to get rid of all the wiring, external hoses, and those are gone. One major difference between the 400 and 450 is that the charging is less on the 400, more sophisticated on the 450.